3 quick tips to create amazing content. My name is Erica Leary, and I help small business owners and entrepreneurs find hidden profits inside their business using my simple 5-step power profit formula so they don't have to spend more on advertising. Today we're going to talk about 3 quick tips to create amazing content. Number 1, know your audience. This is probably the most important one yet, right? We want to, or not yet, but of all of them. We want to know who we're speaking to and speak directly to them, which we'll get to a little bit more in number 3. But you need to know, what is it that they like? A lot of times what we end up doing is we know that they need something. So we try to give them what they need. Don't do that. You want to attract them. You want them to be excited about what you're talking about. So talk about the things that they are interested in, not the things that you are interested in, not the things that you think that they need. No, talk about those things that they are interested in that will attract them to you. So know your audience. Number 2, tell stories. So I had this client one time, and she was putting out content all the time. She was like a content machine. And she came to me and she's like, I don't understand. I'm putting out all of this content and nobody's coming. Nobody's picking up the phone. Nobody's calling me. I'm not getting any clients. What is wrong with my content? I gave her these same 3 quick tips, and she changed her entire content strategy around. She did less content because she needed to think about it a little bit more. So as a bonus one, I will tell you, don't do more than you can handle, right? Just do what you can do. But anyway, she changed her entire content strategy so that she was speaking directly to her audience. She did polls and asked them, hey, what is it that you're interested in? And then created content around that. And then watched, okay, they like this content, and she started creating more. What do you know? Like this, she calls me back and she's like, you will not believe. I'm thinking, yes, I will. She says, you will not believe what happened. She got 5 new clients within 30 days, and she was ecstatic. In her business, that was a big thing, 5 clients in 30 days. So whatever that is to your business, just see what it is. But know your audience, tell stories like I just did in this video, right? Let them understand how it might apply to them or to you. And then the third one is casual casual conversations. You want to speak to people like you're speaking to people, right? That makes 0 sense. But some people try to get all stuffy, and some people try to get all formal and create this content that, quite frankly, is boring. Nobody wants to read it, and it doesn't feel like it resonates with them. When I speak to you, you understand, like, okay, we're having a conversation. You feel it, right? I want to help you. I want you to be able to feel like you know me and that you can ask me questions. That's the way I want you to feel. Well, you want your clients to feel the exact same way. So make sure that you do the exact same thing. I heard it a million times. You need to wear a suit. You need to be more formal. You need to. The bottom line is, I don't need to, and you don't need to either. I mean, if your business is where you need to be more formal in your attire, right? But you can still speak to people to them. What's in their head? What are they thinking? What's keeping them up at night? Talk to them on that kind of one-on-one basis. Don't talk to the masses, because not everybody has the same problem. If you're a small business, you know what the problems are that I'm talking about. If you're a large corporation, you have no idea what I'm even saying. Right? So this is for small businesses. I want you to understand that I'm speaking directly to you. All right, those are the 3 quick tips to create amazing content. Now go out there and start creating.